The Change Advisory Board Workbench, or CAB Workbench, is a feature of the change management application which enables CAB managers to easily schedule, plan, and manage CAB meetings in the ServiceNow AI Platform. CAB Workbench is integrated in the Service Operations Workspace, or SOW, as of the Zurich release, with the same features and functionality of the legacy CAB Workbench. All future enhancements to CAB will be added to CAB and SOW going forward. The CAB Workbench offers multiple benefits for CAB managers and members, including a single system of engagement, task automation, and time management aids. With a single system of engagement in the Service Operations Workspace, the CAB Workbench enables the CAB manager to schedule, plan, manage, and conduct CAB meetings all in one place. The CAB Workbench is available to anyone with rights to the change management application and will work with any change process. The CAB Manager role should be reserved for any user who will lead a CAB meeting or be available as a delegate if the usual CAB Manager is unavailable. With the benefit of task automation, CAB Workbench generates meeting occurrences, agendas, and an appropriate list of attendees for each meeting based on the CAB definition created by the CAB Manager. Similar to a recurring meeting invite, the CAB definition defines all attributes for that CAB meeting series. All meeting occurrences will inherit those attributes but can be edited as needed. A schedule is associated to each CAB definition, allowing the automatic generation of CAB meeting occurrences. The CAB agenda is made up of individual change requests that are automatically associated with a CAB meeting based on filter criteria the CAB manager defines. These are the change requests that are discussed during the CAB meeting. Standard change template proposals can also be added to CAB agendas and reviewed during meetings. The attendees list is automatically generated from the CAB definition, and CAB managers can automatically send meeting requests to attendees. The CAB Workbench will track and capture their responses. Another benefit of CAB Workbench is that it increases productivity through time management aids. Time per agenda item allows the CAB manager to set a default time allotted for each agenda item. Notification lead time sets how many CAB meeting agenda items before the one relevant to an attendee is coming up, allowing them to attend for only the time they are needed. And when the meeting starts, the timer can help keep meetings on schedule. Other features of the CAB Workbench enhance time management during CAB meetings by keeping them efficient. These include being able to move between agenda items and defer them based on attendance, having a quick overview of a change with the ability to double-click into the source as needed, and making the approval decision for individual items. Now let's take a closer look at CAB meetings, where CAB members review and authorize change requests and review recently implemented changes. Prior to each meeting, a standard agenda with the relevant change request details enables CAB members to conduct risk and impact analysis by accessing CAB Workbench, opening a meeting, and reviewing the change items. The CAB Workbench also helps users visualize potential change conflicts, such as blackout and maintenance schedules that are scheduled against the same configuration item, or changes where the assignee is already scheduled for another change. Meetings are then held in dedicated meeting portals, which display the meeting agenda and details for any agenda item that's selected, including the related change request record. CAB Workbench enables CAB managers to schedule, plan, and manage CAB meetings for any change process on a single system of engagement, the ServiceNow AI Platform. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community